YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be planning together for another week. So I use the big happy planner in the dashboard layout. I've already done one video planning and now this is going to be my second video. The first week that I ever planned in this planner was the first week of January and I did a gold and black theme. Then last week I did pink and black, and now this week I think I'm just going to try something brand new and do yellow. I don't know, I kind of want to do yellow. It's really nice weather today, even though it's the middle of January. It's like 75 degrees where I live. It normally is not. Normally it would be very cold. I have my salt lamp on, I have my aroma diffuser on. I don't know, I'm just in a good mood and I want to do some yellows. The problem is that there's so much pink already in this planner. I don't really mind it too much. If I have yellows and then some pinks, I wouldn't really mind it. It wouldn't really bother me. But let's see if it starts bothering me as we start laying down the stickers. It might start to bother me. So I'm just gonna flip through. I already saw some yellow stickers that I liked. This yellow sticker though, I do want to put here for Friday, but I don't think it'll fit. I might need to cut it because Friday we have a professional development meeting and they always leave us with 1,000 things to do. The holes, they don't really line up. They have professional development stickers in here. Should I have used this? Would this have fit better? Okay, so I did change out the sticker because this one came with the lines, so I can write what I'm doing here on these lines and then over here save it for other things that I'm doing. Okay, it was actually bothering me. You could put this pencil. Oh, you can't see. You could put this pencil. It has some yellow. I don't know if I should do yellow and blue. Oh yeah, I love it. So cute. I took my watch off because it was bothering me. I just saw this class party sticker. We had a class party last Friday and I didn't know I had this. I should have put it and it was so fun. We made vision boards. In my last video I was talking about vision boards. So I had my students make some. Kind of cute because I didn't actually end up using this section that was up here, so this is cute. Nice and yellow, bright. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop here. Overall, I do really like this layout. It's so bright and vibrant, and I really like the way my washi tape looks, like running across the edges. But what I did to kind of get over the pink was that I took my washi tape and I just kind of went around the edges of it. I like it. Maybe you don't like it as much, but I really like it. I need to look up some ways where I can remove that. I might just have to cut out a piece of white paper and stick it on, because there's no stickers that are that size that I own. If you have any ideas for me, you can suggest them. That would be very helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and come back for next week's.